So here I have the new releases by Dress My Craft, and in this video I shall be showing my August month Dress My Craft design team kit with you all. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am glad that you are here. Thanks for clicking on the video. I am Kanika from Handmade by Kanika, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So make sure you click on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification as well, so you are all updated with all the latest product reviews and unboxing hauls. So let's get started. So the first thing which I have is a letter from Dress My Craft and as well a gift pen which has unicorn top, and another thing is this face mask. So now let's move on to the product. So the first thing which I have is this Dress My Craft micro fine glitter powder, and it is a very amazing glitter powder which I have been using. As well, the direct links to where all these products which I am showing in this video is mentioned in the description box. So the next thing which I have is this Dream Door 6x6 pattern pack. I have already made a video on the 12x12 and Motif Sheet, so you can check out the description box for that video. So now moving on to the next product. Here I have the Dress My Craft mini scoreboard. So if you want to know a detailed review of this scoreboard as well, I have linked the same video in the description box, so you can check that out as well. Or as well, you can hop on to the playlist section and check out the Dress My Craft videos playlist. And for the first time, Dress My Craft has launched the Motif Sheet of the Me collection paper pads as well. So this one is the superhero, and I have got the Motif Sheet as it has 123 motifs. It has 2 sheets of A4 size and it is of 240 GSM, and that's how the motifs look like. And these are very amazing, especially when you're creating something for teenagers. And here I have the volume 2 of the Dress My Craft Mini Moo Motif Sheet, and if you want to see a detailed review on the Mini Moo paper pad and the volume 1 motif sheet, you can refer to the video number 106, and that's how the first sheet looks like. And here is the birth certificate in the blue and pink color, and a lot of other elements as well. And in the latest Dress My Craft launch, they introduced these Transfer Me sheets. So that's the vintage dial #1. You get 6 of these motifs which looks like these. So these are the mirror images, and once you transfer them, they look normal. So this one was the #1 of vintage tiles. Here I have the vintage tiles #2, and again it has these 6 motifs. And if you want to see a video on how you can use these motifs, don't forget to comment down below. I shall make a video. That's the vintage tiles #3, and this is how it looks. And that's the vintage tiles #4, and that's how it looks. They as well launched another Transfer Me sheet which was coordinating to the latest launched paper pad. So for that you can check out this video. And if you notice, 2 of these tiles are black and white, and 2 of these have the colorful element. So that's how they released 5 of them. Now moving on to the another new dies which they released. This one is the basic designer die. So that's the capital alphabet. As well, don't forget to comment down your favorite product from this haul. Here I have another die which is this Holy Dies Rang Rasya. And here with me I have the Dress My Craft Indian Elegance 12x12 paper pad. So this is the foiled paper pad which Dress My Craft launched earlier. So let me give you a quick lookbook. So that's the foiled Indian Elegance. This is the 210 GSM paper, and these are the patterns which this pattern pack has. So that's the first design which they have. Can you look at this beauty? I am just loving the foil thing. That's the paisley design, so it has all over paisleys on the pattern. And that's another beautiful color which this pattern pack has. And this pattern pack is perfect for your greetings, like if you want to make your envelopes, the shagun envelopes, which are very famous in India. So you can use this app. Here they have the script which says Hare Ram Hare Krishna. Again they have this bright colors which goes very well according to Indian theme, and I'm drooling over this pattern. It has the elephants, and if you notice this design, so it has this big mandalas which are not foiled and the smaller ones which are foiled, so it has that perfect combination. And so this has the geometric pattern, so you can use this as the background one, and here we have another geometric pattern. So that was a quick lookbook of the pattern pack, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, the unboxing haul. I hope to see you soon with another craft unboxing haul or a product review or a tutorial. Till then, happy crafting, and I hope to see you soon.